Hello everyone, I'm here with the new chapter number 7, The Charge of Light Brigade. This poem was written by the English poet Alfred Lord Tennyson in response to a battle during Crimean War. In this battle, a British cavalry unit, the Light Brigade, was commanded to charge against a Russian unit. The order was almost suicidal, and the poet celebrates the self sacrifices and bravery of British soldiers. The poem was written about the Crimean War. 600 soldiers rode into the battle with swords only. Let's read a poem about a famous war and understand the explanation. Half a league, half a league onward, all in the valley of death, and rode the 600. The poem tells the story of a brigade consisting of 600 soldiers who rode on horseback into the valley of death. Here, the meaning of half a league is 1.5 miles. Another meaning of league is a collection of people and countries or group that combine for mutual protection of their country. The 600 soldiers are moving into the valley of death to fight with Russian army. Forward the light brigade, charge for the guns, he said, into the valley of death and rode the 600. The Light Brigade was commanded to charge against a Russian unit. The order was almost suicidal, and the poem celebrates the self sacrifice and bravery of the British soldiers. The poem was written about the Crimean War. 600 soldiers rode into the battle because their commander had given a command to charge on the Russian army. Let's understand the next stanza. Forward the Light Brigade, was there a man dismayed, not though the soldiers knew someone had blundered. They are not to make reply, they are not to reason why, they are not to do and die. Into the valley of death rode the 600. In this stanza, the poet tells not a single soldier was discouraged or distressed by the command to charge forward on the Russian army. Even though all the soldiers realized that commander had made a terrible mistake due to a misunderstanding and order sent by the commander in chief. So they ride without question in the army area as they knew the outcome could be death, but they did not know, ask, or dispute with him. So they choose only to act, do, and die and rode into the valley of death. Let's read the next stanza. Cannon to the right of them, cannon to left of them, cannon in front of them, volleyed and thundered. The meaning of cannon is large guns which was used in the battles, and the volleyed meaning explosion and outburst. There were cannons on their right, cannons on their left, and cannons in front of them. That means the British army had surrounded by the cannons from all the sides. They all are fired loud blast, and the British soldiers were showered with gunshots and bombs. But let's see the next lines. Strong and with shot and shell, boldly they rode and well into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell, rode the 600. But the British soldiers were facing the army attacks, firing, shelling of Russian army because they are fighting with swords, and Russian army have a big guns, big cannons. So they rode bravely toward the mouth of death, and that means they are moving towards the danger. So this poem celebrates the self-sacrifice and bravery of the British soldiers. Rest of these stanzas we will discuss tomorrow. Have a nice day, students.